Have you ever caught yourself talking to yourself out loud in your car, muttering while cooking, narrating your thoughts while working? Most people have experienced it, but many feel self-conscious about it. Society often labels self-talk as weird or assigns something's wrong. But psychology tells a completely different story. Research reveals that people who talk to themselves aren't strange at all. In fact, this habit reveals something important about how their brains work, their emotional intelligence, and their problem-solving abilities. Let's break down the real psychology behind people who talk to themselves. 1. Enhanced cognitive processing. People who talk to themselves often have stronger cognitive abilities. When you verbalize your thoughts, you're actually engaging multiple brain regions at once. You're not just thinking, you're translating those thoughts into words, which requires working memory, language processing, and executive function to coordinate. Psychologists call this externalizing cognition, and it's a fundamental tool for thinking. By speaking their thoughts aloud, these people organize information better, process complex problems more effectively, and strengthen neural pathways related to learning and memory. They're essentially tutoring themselves by saying things out loud, which improves comprehension, retention, and long-term storage of knowledge in the brain. 2. Powerful problem-solving techniques. Self-talk is a genuine problem-solving strategy, not a sign of confusion. When people talk through a challenge out loud, they activate different parts of their brain than silent thinking alone does. They slow down their thought process deliberately, examine problems from multiple angles and perspectives, and often catch logical gaps they'd miss in their head otherwise. Research on metacognition shows that people who narrate their thinking process solve problems faster and more creatively than those who don't. They're not confused or disorganized at all. They're actually using a scientifically backed method to work through obstacles systematically and methodically. 3. Emotional regulation and processing. Talking to yourself helps manage and control emotions effectively. When people verbalize their feelings, they create psychological distance between themselves and those emotions. This is called emotional labeling, and it's a powerful therapeutic technique. Instead of being overwhelmed by anxiety or stress, they name it, talk about it, understand it, and process it constructively. Psychologists find that people who use self-talk show lower stress levels, reduced anxiety, and better emotional control overall. They're essentially coaching themselves through difficult moments, which is a sign of emotional maturity and self-awareness that research consistently validates. 4. Building confidence and motivation. Self-talk functions as positive reinforcement and motivation. Athletes and performers have long used this technique to enhance performance. When someone talks to themselves encouragingly, they activate reward centers in the brain. They're creating a personalized motivational soundtrack that keeps them focused and driven. People who talk to themselves frequently often display higher self-efficacy and greater resilience in challenging situations. They don't need external validation from others because they've learned to validate and encourage themselves internally. This reflects genuine self-confidence rooted in solid self-awareness and psychological strength. 5. Indicator of high intelligence. Research consistently links self-talk to cognitive ability and intelligence. Studies show that people with higher IQs are more likely to engage in self-talk regularly. This is because more intelligent brains are constantly processing complex information, testing hypotheses, and thinking through multiple scenarios simultaneously. The more sophisticated your thinking becomes, the more likely you are to verbalize it to work through it. Talking to yourself isn't a flaw or a weakness. It's evidence of an active, analytical mind working hard to understand the world around you and solve its challenges. So next time you hear someone talking to themselves, don't assume they're weird or unstable. They might just be working through a problem, processing emotions, or strengthening their memory and learning. They could be building confidence or working through a complex idea that matters to them. People who talk to themselves are often more self-aware, emotionally intelligent, and cognitively engaged than most people around them. They've simply figured out that saying things out loud helps them think better and understand themselves more clearly. If you're fascinated by the psychology of human behavior and what our habits reveal about our minds, hit subscribe now, because on this channel, we don't just observe people. We understand the science behind what they do and why they do it.